Alrighty, we're going to go over how to add a food into a meal. This is going to be the most basic task that you'll ever do within Eat This Much. It's pretty simple. Come over here to search foods on the left-hand side. Let's just start with something super simple. Let's just do chicken. And you'll notice that it comes up with several sections. So you have your recent foods, stuff that you've used most recently. I use chicken pretty often, so it's right there at the top for me. You can have it in your favorites, which, by the way, when you click on a food, you can star it here. This will add it to your favorites. I have a couple recipes in there because I've been playing around with meal planning. Custom foods are, or excuse me, custom recipes are recipes that you have created. I haven't created chicken as a recipe. There's no need. Custom foods, where if you, and we'll go into this later about how to create these foods, but obviously anywhere that chicken shows up is where it's what it's going to pull up in the search results. So basic foods is a good place to check for things like chicken if you're not looking for a recipe, or like apples, or like general, just basic ingredients, whole foods. And then restaurant foods is another section here. Branded foods, these are foods that obviously are branded. This would be more like if you're looking for Campbell's tomato soup, like something that's a specific brand of whatever food you're looking for. So I just want chicken breast. You can either click the add button, or you can just drag and drop right in there and then put in the amount of that food that you're going to be using. So, for example, 4 ounces of chicken breast is 113 grams. That's just something that I know off the top of my head, so that's what I would put in there, and boom. Now this is going to feed into your grocery list and put in how much you need of chicken breast, depending on how many days of your grocery list you are pulling. So if I just pull from today, it's going to tell me that I need, looks like I have chicken breast down here as well, so it's going to tell me I need 226 grams of chicken breast for this day. So that's how you add a food.